is our 1968 International Loadstar. Love a good sweeping video. I know I do. Family, working out, last 50. I had the wooden steps on here. Okay. Take me a couple hours to get all situated, so I ain't gonna bore you, so I'll be right back and hopefully. So, fenders here are notorious for rusting. Right here. Hey, have you guys checked out Mug Customs yet? MUGG Customs? For 3 years or whatever, it was just kind of draining. 79 super cab. That money towards the next one. I am thinking painted. It looks restored. He's almost done with it, so go check. And I will give you a personal shout out.